Hello there friends, my name is Farhang. I am from AskInfluencers.com. We have videos about online business, especially creating websites and creating conversion focused websites and blogs. And we also focus on conversion focused landing pages, conversion focused sales pages, and also conversion focused webinar pages. And you may come to my website and take a look at how it is built. And if you subscribe to our website, we will give you 10 days counseling, which is how to show you how to create a beautiful website. Now in this video I'll show you how to create this website, and this is the pop-up when one person visits your website for the first time. They will see this pop-up, and hopefully you will give them something for free in order to get their name and email and subscribe. And of course there's a button. If they don't want, they always can cancel. Also, we have this scroll mat, and you may have seen it on popular bloggers. When you visit them, this mat will scroll, and they will ask you for your email. So if you give them, you can say yes, I want it, or you simply can say no thanks. Now you can create this scroll mat on your website easily. So let us say no thanks, and we will go to our website, and we will also create this notification bar, which is it is about our ebook. You can create this notification bar to get emails or to promote your social media or your product, your course, whatever you want. And of course with the button that says no thanks, and if they don't want it, they can cancel it. And now we have a beautiful header with the logo in line, so there is no space wasted here. And also, because this is the conversion focused website, we have a highlighted button here which says recommend. Now this is very important because it grabs attention of your visitors, and we have one clean background, also with our message here, and with 2 videos. The first video is a play video, so if they click here, a video will pop up, and if you convince them, they are going to join you. Now let us play video. Action step 1. And now we have another button which says join us. Now if they click on it, another pop-up will appear. And as you see, you can remove this picture you can put your picture, your ebook's picture, whatever you want, and also with the name and email and download button. Okay, we don't use slides because slides are not conversion focused. People do not have time to read all your slides and know about you. Your homepage's job is not about showcase. It is about getting people's emails and address, and then market your products. Now if we scroll down, we will see our services listed here with icons, and now if we scroll down, we will see our blog posts, and if you write a post, it will show up here automatically, so you don't have to manually come here and put it here, so it will automatically show on your home page. Now if we scroll down more, we will see testimonials page, so what people say about our product, service, or whatever, or our service. So then if we scroll down, we see this subscription or opt-in boxes, which people can subscribe to our website and get more stuff from us. And then we have a footer and also social media buttons in order for them to follow us. And then we have a beautiful and clean sidebar, and with the search here and also social media button is here, and the beauty of the social media icons, when they follow you, they do not have to leave your website. And of course we have social media on our blog posts, and we have a beautiful clean opt-in sidebar here, with also I am not a robot or a captcha. So when they subscribe, we make sure that they are not robots or spammers. And also we have popular posts and recent posts here. And the last one is actually call to action box here, with the headline, text, and a button. Now I'll show you how to stick this call to action to your sidebar, so even when you scroll down it stays in place. And also this box at the bottom of all of your posts, and about author, also related posts, next and previous posts, and also popular posts. So I hope you watch all the video and subscribe to our channel, and let us get started. Dear friends, before we start our creating our website, there are two things I want you to know. One is I recommend to become a domain reseller in order to save money on online tools. But when you become a domain reseller, sometimes maybe you don't want to become a domain reseller, or you don't want to sell it. But there are some advantages when you become a domain reseller, and that is when you become a domain reseller, you will get many free tools for your personal use. So you don't normally sell it, you just use it for your personal use, such as WordPress hosting, email marketing, website builders, SEO tools, SSL certificates, and site logs. So in order to show you, let me log in into my account. So what you get as a domain reseller, and here they are. They have two plans, and one is basic reseller and the other one is pro reseller, and they just give you the same products for free, but this one is more profitable. So I wanted to become a basic reseller, which is $59 per year, and you will get many free tools for your personal use. And so let us log in to see what kind of tools you will get. And we are logged in. As you see, I got web hosting, which I don't use, but you can use it. I use managed WordPress hosting. You can create five websites WordPress. They are all managed. Business email, so your name at your domain.com. Website builder to create static websites. Search engine visibility, it helps your website to become to be on the first page of Google. Email marketing, this is my favorite one. You will get 5,000 subscribers for free. And online storage, also reseller, of course, a ready-made website in order to sell domains and web hosting if you want. If not, you just ignore this one. Site log to protect your website from hackers, and SSL certificate if you want to sell something on your website and make sure the payment process is secure. So you sell something under the SSL certificates. And I have all the tutorials about all these products, so you don't have to worry about that, how to set up all of the things here. So where you become a domain reseller, which website is great for selling domains and web hosting and get free tools? Actually, I will recommend you vpnews.com. So I will put the link under this video, and you will get the link. They are actually exactly the tools are exactly as GoDaddy, but the price is different. So you will get these tools for half of the price if you buy it from VPN News, which is also a super reseller. So yes. And the other thing I recommend my clients all the time is Thrive themes and Thrive plugins. They are managed service, so you get everything you need to create your website. So when you become a member, you will get all these products. They actually added this product yesterday as I'm recording this video, and Thrive leaders are my favorites, and content builder, actually they are amazing. You will see how amazing those products are if you watch the entire video. And also they got plenty of themes to choose from. We use all the products of Thrive themes, all the plugins, but we use only the Rise theme. They are all managed, so when you become a member, you don't need to buy other plugins for your website because they are actually great, and that's it. So to learn more about the services we are using on our website, just go to my website, my main website, AskInfluencers.com, and just click on We Recommend. So and scroll down, you will see the services I am using and also the free plugins that I recommend my clients to use. I always add more of them when I use the plugins. So let us get started with our website. So let us install our WordPress website. It's actually a managed WordPress website. We just put our name, email, and a password, and then everything is done. So it is a managed WordPress site. So let us go to VPN News and go to a reseller area, and let us log in and click on Managed WordPress websites. Click on Manage, and you have an option to set up your new managed WordPress, and you have two options actually. One is migrating your existing WordPress website. If you have one, I'll show you how to migrate it and create a new website. So this time we will just create a new website, and now we can choose our domain, which is we do not have right now, so we can use a temporary domain name. You can also use a subdomain. You can use VPN News in order to get a domain, or you can use any other registrars. So then choose a data center, Europe or America. And now let us choose our WordPress details. So for WordPress username, I have chosen this one, babk2. And the email is this one, my email. And for password, make sure you create a strong password. So for that, search for this keyword, strong password generator, and choose this one, .NET, strong password generator, and make sure you choose this one. So make it 18. And choose tick all these characters, numbers, and symbols, and just hit generate password. So let us create our password and paste it here and click on finish, and that's it. We have a website right now in less than 1 minute. So just take a look how easy it is to create our websites. And that's it. We have a website. So just click here. And now we have another option, and which is it is actually part of VPN use, but it is called a wizard process, but we don't want it because they will actually ask us for themes, contact pages, and some settings we don't want right now. So just click no thanks and go. And we have a website, a really great website, which is very ugly actually. So let us take a look at our website, at our domain name, and as you see, we have very ugly website, and we are going to customize it and make it the most beautiful website in the world actually. So go to dashboard. The other thing I want to show you with VPN News, actually the video tutorial, is because my course is not actually very beginner, and so you have to know some of the WordPress aspects. So for example, you have to know how to create posts, pages, and install and remove plugins. If you don't know it, however, that's no problem, because with this VPN use managed WordPress hosting, they actually have a course inside this website, which is, if you don't know anything about WordPress, they are going to show you in a very short and beneficial video tutorials. For example, if you don't know how to embed a video, you just click on this link inside your WordPress dashboard, and you will play the video, and they will tell you how to create a WordPress, how to embed videos, for example.
In WordPress. For example, here's a video animation of a retro rocket that I'd like to embed on my site.
Another thing that is really great about VPN use actually is having free photos. So they have actually 10,000 photos to use for free on your website. So you don't have to buy pictures outside or use any other copyrighted materials from other people, so you won't get into trouble with the other people with your website. So for example, they have stock photos, and they have thousands of photos in order for you to use it on your personal websites. You cannot sell these pictures, you just have to use it on your website, which is, I think, very creative, because you don't have to pay for it. Now we have uploaded all our plugins and themes. Of course, if you are a Thrive theme subscriber, because actually I don't use free themes and plugins, because they don't have many customization. So just go and download all Thrive themes plugins, and also download this plugin, the first one. It's called Rice. So and also we have many free plugins we use. So just go to our website asicinfluencers.com, click on we recommend, that the plugins, you will find the plugins that we recommend, the free ones, or you just click on this button and subscribe, so we will send you the guides. After that, go to your website and go to Thrive dashboard and click on license manager. So you put your license manager in here. So you put the email that you're registered with and also the license key, and you will activate your products. As you see, all my products are active. You will find your key and email when you log in into your Thrive theme So just log in and click on my account and license keys. You will find those. So before we start designing our homepage or our website in general, there are some general settings we have to done all the settings properly in order to our website to work properly. So let us get started. So if you have Thrive themes, you may scroll down and go to Thrive dashboard and click on Thrive dashboard. And now, as you see, we have all the products here. So the first thing we are going to do is retina icons. So we are going to get icons in order to use it for on our website. So just click on manage icons. And as you see, I have uploaded icons here, but in order to teach you how to do that, the first thing you do is to click on here. It says click here. So you go to icon moon and you go to the icons. So you select it, the ones that you want, or you can select it all of them. So you can click here, select it or deselect it. So I select it all, and you click on generate font, and then you have another option here which is which says download. As you see, we have download option here. So you just click on it, the icons will be downloaded. So once you have downloaded the icons, you are going to click here, upload, and upload your zip file, and you click on save and generate fonts. And as you see, we have icons here because I have done it previously. So that's it for icons. It is actually really easy. And we are going to dashboard again and scroll down. You can get many free tools, and they are Google fonts. They work on every devices. So you click on manage fonts and you choose the one that you like. So it says import custom font manager. If you have it, you will import it here. If not, you are click on add custom font. So you click here and you select the one that you want. For example, let us choose a font. As you see, we see the style, the writing style, and we don't want this. So let us choose this one, and bold size, regular, and click on save. We have a font. So you can create as many fonts as you want. So that's it for fonts. So let us go back to our Thrive dashboard. We have other settings to make. So scroll down. And it's important we have API connections such as email, webinar, Facebook, Twitter, Google, and etc. So let us go to API connections, and we will use our email, which is we have a free email from VPN News, and that is great because we have 5,000 email subscribers for free. So we go to VPN News and we go to our account, and we click on email marketing, manage, and we click on setting. And now this is our email, and this is API. This is our email. So let us copy the email and choose MadMimi as our email marketing software. So this is our email, and this is our API, and copy it, paste it here, and click on connect. And that's it. It says connection is ready, which means we have a connection between our website and our email marketing software. Another connection I like to make is actually called Google CAPTCHA, so reCAPTCHA. So we are going to click on here and search in Google for Google reCAPTCHA, and so you go to google.com/reCAPTCHA. Click on reCAPTCHA. So we have many websites here, and we are going to create another one. So we are going to use our temporary name if Google let us do that. So let us paste it here and click on register. Yes, it actually allowed us to connect it with our website. So the site key is this one. So copy it. This is a site key, and this one is the secret key. So select it and paste it here, and our connection is ready. This is notification manager. So when you get a subscriber, a notification will appear, it's actually not important. So if you want it, you can manage it here, but we are not going to focus it in this video. So in order to get Facebook comments, you have to go to API connections and choose Facebook as in order to create a connection between Facebook and your website. So you create an application by going to developers.facebook.com/apps, and then you create a new app. You must be logged in order to create new app. So you create new app, and you put your name and the information here. So as you see, you will have app ID and app secret, and of course you have to put your URL here, and also privacy policy URL, and also terms of use URL. So it is actually very important in order to be a success connection. You have to do this, and also put an email here. So and click save changes. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want to use comments on this website. So I just hit cancel. It is actually really easy. So once you have created your application, you will copy this one and paste it here and here. And the last thing is general settings, which is it is actually Facebook and discuss comment system if you want to use that. So if you have Facebook, for example, you will choose this ID here, and also if you want to add admins to your website. So if you do not want to approve comments by yourself, if you have a team, you will add them here. So you can add more than 10 or 15, whatever you like. So also if you have discuss forum name, you will put it here and you will save it, and it is actually really easy. But I do not want to use comments, so it is not important for me. But please, before you do this settings, you have to change your temporary domain name, and I'll show you how to point it to your website. So let us create some pages and then create some menus to our website. But before that, go to Thrive Themes Options or Thrive Dashboard and click on three dots for page templates. So you will see page templates and click on them, because they have made some ready-made such as privacy policy, disclaimer, lead generation page, video page, email confirmation, and home page actually. So name your website. So let us name it Ask Influencers, and company name Ask Influencers. contact URL page. So let us go to AskInfluencers.com contact, and this is our address. It is actually a fake address, so update information. And choose the pages that you want to be created. I want privacy policy, I want disclaimer, I want homepage, I want email confirmation, I want sales page. Or you can check all them and make them compatible with Thrive Content Builder and generate selected pages. So we will take a look. And as you see, we have privacy policy. So if we review it, you will see that privacy policy is actually created. So it says, when accessing to the Ask Influencers website, Ask Influencers will learn certain information about you during your visits. So as you see, it actually took us on our behalf. So it is, everything is there. You don't need to hire a lawyer to create these pages or copy someone else's information. You have your own privacy policy here. And also we have disclaimer, we have a homepage. So let us take a look at our homepage, which is, we will not use it, but just to look at it. As you see, we have a ready-made homepage here. Okay, so let us create some pages for our website. I have created some, so I'll create another one. For example, let us create home. And as you see, we have another option here, which is, it says headline, new headline, which is I can create another headline. But it actually works best for posts. So when you have a headline or the keyword, so you will test it against them. So for example, Thrive Headline Optimizer will show you which headline attracted more visitors to your website to read the post. So, and when you scroll down, you have other options such as blog title. You have the option to hide it or show it, breadcrumbs, featured image, or also you have focused area, custom code, social media. So you have many options, but you have to scroll down in order to see them. So let us publish it. So let us create two menus for our website, because we currently do not have any menus. So click on appearance, go to menus. As you see, we do not have any menu. So create new menu here and name it. So let us name it main menu. This is our primary menu, and we click on it, and we make this one primary and save menu, and we will choose some pages here. For example, contact us, blog. Okay, so we will add menu here, and we drag this one to here. So we would order it, and if we take a look here, then now we have a menu. Now we have a menu here. So let us go back and click on this icon here. So just click on it. You will see something here. It says highlight menu item. So you click on it and you save it. Now if we refresh it, you will see that recommend became highlighted. So it will attract more visitors to this page if you have something important. For example, productors, blog. So you can make your blog page or whatever the page you want, you can make like this one. So let us create another menu here, and let us call this one footer menu, and click on footer. Let us assign some pages to it: privacy policy, disclaimer, and contact us. Also, let us make a blog for some reason, and let us leave it as it is. And if we refresh it, we have contact us, blog, disclaimer, and privacy policy. Okay, so you can also create your menu with posts, custom links, or categories if you have categories in order to be shown on your menu. So before we start designing our website, there are some options, some theme options we have to done in order to be able to design our website. So the first thing, we are going to settings and go to reading. Let us choose a static page for our website, because if we click on blog, we don't see anything, just a blog and nothing else. So we will choose a static. For the front page, we will choose the home, and for the posts, choose blog. 5 posts are enough. Also choose summary and save changes. And now if you refresh it, you will see the posts. Okay, so let us go to Thrive theme options, and we very quickly I'll show you important aspects of it, not all of it, just the basic things such as logo. I do not have a logo, so I'm going to use my original one. And also logo background, we don't want to use that. Logo position, which one do you want? We want side of menu, of course. Headphone, if you sell products or you want to reveal your phone number, you will choose on and put your phone number here. Okay, and also footer copyright, what do you want to be appear? So let us just write something and copyright text 2016 by ASIC influencers. Also footer copyrighted such as powered by WordPress or powered by Thrive themes, something like this. Also it says enable footer popular posts. Of course we want that. So also display breadcrumbs. This is important for SEO. So if you are interested in SEO, I recommend you turn this on. Relative time, this is when you post something on your website, the time will show above the posts. So save changes. The second thing is style and layout. Scheme color. So we have chosen orange. So let us leave it as orange. Also blog layout default, because we want to use a sidebar. So if you choose full width or one of these options, you cannot use a sidebar. Default blog post, also you can choose default full width or narrow, so default will be important for us. Sidebar, you want left or right is important. Also we have navigation, default or floating. Default is the normal one. Floating is when you scroll down, the menu will stay in place, so we will choose default this time. And we will save changes. For a block settings, featured image style, what do you want? Thumbnail, no image or white. Thumbnail is okay. Show featured image in a single post. You can show it or you can turn it off. So let us turn this off this time. Also, meta info. When you write something, what do you want to appear about your seller? For example, author name, post date, post category. You can turn this on or off. Button posts display about the author box. So do you want the author box to be appear? Also display links to previous or next posts. So let me show you something like this. Let us go to blog and read one of the posts, and if we scroll down, this is the author box and this is the next and previous posts, and this is the popular posts. Also other settings, show read more. You can choose button or text. So if you choose button, you can customize your text. In blog list display, post excerpt or post content, or always choose post excerpt. Hide categories from blog page. You can hide some categories if you do not want to show. So save changes. Also analytics and scripts. Those are for analytics such as Google Analytics, AdRoll, and Pixel from Facebook. Those kind of codes you will put in header or the body script. Okay, performance. This is the important part of Thrive themes actually, because you won't see this option with other themes. They have partnered with other services in order to bring this feature for you. So this is called image optimization, which is they compress your images to make it less in size and to make your website faster. Also lazy load comments. If you have if you want to load comments, and also image resize if you want to resize your images before uploading, or you can choose your default one. Also comments, we have the option to show Facebook comments or the regular comments with Facebook. Of course you have options here to done, and we are not going to use it here on this website. And social media is really important, because with social media you don't need an extra plugin in order to put the social sharing buttons on your posts like this. So if we read this one, you will see the sharing buttons that can come with Thrive themes, and you can turn those on or off. Also you have the option to choose posts or pages. Also the attention grabber, you choose the text to grab your visitor's attention. Also social footer links, so let us choose, put some random links here, and we of course you have to put your original. Those are not original. This is just Facebook. I'll show you where they will be appear, and those are the social following. Actually people can follow you with these buttons under your homepage, or actually in the footer of all pages. Also 404 page, you can customize your 404 page. For example, you can show a sitemap, and we will show a sitemap here. So we will say something that you are on a wrong page, please use our sitemap in order to find the post or product. This you like for, you search for. So if we save changes, and if we go to a page that does not exist, for example, it says you are on a rogue page, please use our sitemap in order to find the products or the services that you are searching for. And here are the categories, archives, pages, and they easily can find the thing that they are looking for. And also here are the search bar, also with a story, and we can find the page you were looking for. Okay, related posts. This is really another important part of the Thrive themes, because with other themes you have to use another plugin in order to show the related posts. So we will just enable this, and when there is no related posts, this text will appear. Also, you can ignore categories, ignore tags, or number of related posts to store. Also display a related posts box, or okay. Display featured image, okay. Related posts title, so you will call it related posts, or related posts to show for. So we will save changes. We go to our blog. So if we read one of our posts and we scroll down, we will see the author box. I will show you where you can put this text. And also this is the box. Also this is the next and previous. Also these are the previous, the popular posts. And if you want to change this text here about author, you go to your user and edit my profile. So this is the image. You can change your image, your gravatar here. You click here and you put your gravatar, the image you want to appear. And also you have the option to show your social media channels, and also you have the option to put your text here. So this is a lot of text, so let me remove some of it and update profile. So let us go to review our website. As you see, we have less text on here, and also we have 3 channels, so you can choose another channels, but you have the only option to show 3 of them. So let us work with our sidebars. As you see, we do not have any sidebars here, so we are going to design some sidebar options that we have. So let us get started. And the first thing, we are going to put the search button, search area here, and also social media buttons, and also popular posters, and etc. So we are going to click on appearance, on widgets. So we are going to drag or put some title here. So let us say search this website, and just save it. As you see, we have Thrive widget here. Of course, we can show this widget on specific pages and posts. For example, if you do not want to be shown on your blog index, you can click here and choose a specific page or post you want to share your this widget. This time we want to show. And the other thing that we are going to put is follow me widget by Thrive themes. So it is free. You don't have to use any other plugins. So let us choose Pinterest or RSS or YouTube, Instagram. So let us activate those. Click on active, and let us put some random URLs. I'm not going to use my URLs here. So let us say follow us on social media, and let us put a username here, for example, and put a URL here. So let us just copy this. Okay, so let us save it and test it if it works or not. As you see, it works. And this is the beauty of Thrive themes, because when you click on this button, this pop-up will appear, so they can follow you without leaving your website. This is really important. With other plugins, they leave your website. And other thing we are going to put on our sidebar is actually Thrive tabs widget, and let us drag it here. So let us call it read even more. Number of items to show, 5 or 4. Show thumbnails, yes. Display post dates or display comments, no. Recent posts, popular posts, and that's it. So let us just choose popular posts and recent posts, because that is all we want. And let us call this one popular posts and call this one recent posts, and save it here, and let us refresh it. And as you see, we have popular posts, 4 of them, and also we have recent posts, 4 of them. You can actually put more than 4 posts here. It is up to you. Another thing that we are going to do is actually create a call to action. So for example, if you have a product, if you have an ebook, if you have and whatever you have, you want to create a call to action, so in order people to interact with that, with this area. So let us for example, let us make, for example, we have a course, so we will let them to join our course. Join our course. And let us make the color orange. Headline text. Join our course about email marketing. You will learn the most important parts of email marketing very soon. We can upload an image, but we don't want it. So let us choose bottom text. So click to join, and the URL should be, let us choose Google, for example, this time. Google.com. Button color, let us make it blue. Open a link, same tab or new tab. Choose new tab. And we also have styles, so choose a style. Let us choose this one and let us save it. But as you see, we have a fixed widget here because we have a plugin, and the plugin called fixed widget. So we can stick this widget to our sidebar. So let us make this one in order to show you. So let us just stick it and refresh it. As you see, we have search area, we have social media buttons, we have recent posts, and as you see, we have a call to action. And if you scroll down, this will not disappear. As you see, those are disappearing as we scroll down. but if we scroll down, this will stick to our sidebar. And it is very important if you have something really crucial to teach your visitors and to let them to buy your product or follow you, whatever you do. You can choose those sidebars. This one is to be sticky, so but only stick the important parts of your product is. So let us close this. And the other thing that we want to put it here actually is an email marketing box, so people can subscribe to our website. So we have to go to Thrive. We have to go to Thrive Leads actually. Okay, in Thrive Leads, create a group for your website. So let us create ASIC influencers. Okay, create the lead group. So which type of opt-ins we want? So just click on here. So as you see, we have a light box, we have ribbon, we have footer, and we have scroll mat. I will show you all of these, but let us choose widget. And in widget area, so display on desktop, yes. Display on mobile phones, yes. Okay, so I have to create, and let us call this one widget, and create forum, and trigger show immediately on the page, yes. Okay, and design it. Click on this edit design. So choose a ready-made widget, because actually this is the beauty of Thrive themes. Everything is ready. You just edit the text the way you want and you put it on your website. Let us choose this one. And as you see, but we have to connect it with our service again. So API, save it, choose name, make it required. You can even choose icons, because we have icons. So let us, for example, let us choose an icon here. This is name, so we have to choose an icon related. So let us choose this emoji and show icon, and for the person, let us choose this one, and add captcha, save it, and as you see, the widget is ready. But you can change the text whatever you want here, so it is not hard to customize your widget. And for example, if you want to change this text, just click it, and you can when you subscribe, you will get my free 4-video course immediately. And let us highlight this one and make it bold. And so, but we have to save it in order to show our widget in the widget area. So we have to go to widget area once again. So go to appearance, widgets. Okay, so this time we are going to bring a Thrive Leads widget, and it says ASIC influencers, and we are going to save it and drag and drop it to here, and let us, so I have to go to my group and show on desktop. It says no. Show on mobile phone, you can say yes or no, and also you can choose the target page if you want, or if you just don't want, you just put it uh, whenever you want. So for example, all pages or all blog posts or blog index. So whenever you want, you can, for example, it does not show on front page. It will not show on search page, also in 404 page. So save it. So let us once again refresh it. And as you see, we have this search, we have social media, we also have this download free video. Of course, we can change all of the things here. And also we have the name with icons and email. Also, I am not a robot. For example, when they fill out this form and they have to click on this one, I am not a robot. So in order for them to be a subscriber, sometimes a spammer or computer bots, they try to fill out these forms, but with this captcha they cannot. And with Thrive Leaders, this is really important because we are going to use Thrive Leaders very heavily in order to promote our website, in order to get names and emails from our visitors. This is really important. So we have a lot to do with Thrive Leaders. So just scroll down, we have a group here and click on that group. As you see, we have a light box. So let us choose a light box for our website. This is a pop-up. So create a forum and let us choose it, Lightbox demo, and create forum. As you see, we have the frequency, so you can let people to see this Lightbox every day, or if you put 0, it will pop up every day. So you can choose and animation, choose an animation, and for example zoom out, save it. So let us put a design. As you see, the design is really taken care of by Thrive themes. We have often pages, we have multi-step. For example, multi-steps are like yes to no. And for example, if you want to ask your visitors, for example, you say, do you want my ebook? Yes or no? If they say yes, another pop-up will appear. If they say no, this Lightbox will disappear. But this time we will choose an opt-in here. As you see, we have clouds. And we have different templates here, but let us choose a standard one for this time because you will get the idea and you can customize the way you want. So let us choose this one and scroll down. As you see, we do not have any colors here, so let us choose a color. Okay, let us choose this color here. Also, you can choose the color for your close icon background. For this close icon, for example, if they don't want to put their email and name, they can close it, and you can customize that button. So let us make it blue. Okay. Border, you can choose a border. Overlay, so you can choose an overlay and you make it okay. And as always, you just click and put your text here. So let us choose to call this one, let us help you with your blog, and choose a paragraph, heading 2 or heading 1. Okay, so let us bring a paragraph. Click on here and put a paragraph in here and put some text. So let's say fill out the form below to get our exclusive video tutorials. Only our members will see the videos. This is a random text. Of course, you can change it the way you want, and you can change the font size. So let us make it 22, make it bold. You can align it to right, left, or center. And the most important part you don't have to forget is actually connected with a service. So for example, connected with your webinar, your Facebook, your email marketing. And this time we are using email marketing, so we have to choose API and email marketing. We ask it for name and email and make it required. We don't use CAPTCHA here, and we just going to save it. You can change this button, so just click on here and change the button. And of course we can change the submit button. As you see, it says subscribe now. So let us say something more and something nice, and for example, click to join now. You can change the font size 33, and that's it. You can make it full with this, and we are going to save it. So let us go back to Thrive Leaders. And scroll down, show it on desktop. Do not show light boxes on mobile. So we are going to go to our website, visit our website, okay. So we have forget something. I always forget it. So let us choose this one, front page, and save it and close it. And this time let us, and as you see, we are seeing the light boxes. This is really beautiful and nice. So they can subscribe to our website, and this is the beauty of Thrive Themes, because they are actually conversion focused websites. So let us close this one. Go to Thrive Themes Leaders, and this time let us create a post footer. So at the bottom of every post you have or homepage, you actually will see this forum. So let us call this one post footer and create forum. Display immediately on load, of course. Let us design it. And the other thing that is really important is we have clone. So you can design two different formats and run an A/B test, because they have the A/B test, and you will know which forum is doing better. So let us choose an opt-in forum here. Okay, let us choose this one actually. So choose the template and download the free video. It says, as you see, we have this forum. Subscribe to get new stuff. This is just a random text, so you have to be careful with your message. You can change the color of the text, or you can change this one. Join us today to get more online. So let us make this one bold. You can change this icon or image. You can change as a style for your picture. So let us choose this one. As you see, it says something like this, and of course we can change the color of the whole picture here. We can make it this one, this one, this one, or this one. So let us okay. You can play with the colors because it depends on every person. They have different likes, and the most important part of this is you don't have to forget about API connections, because you are asking people to fill out the form. If the form fails, it will be very bad for your reputation on your website. So just next, save it. We are not going to ask for CAPTCHA here. You can ask if you want. You can display a message if they sign up for your blog posts. So copy this lead. It says, so paste it here, and it says lead name, thank you for sign up. An email is being sent to the lead email. So, and please check your inbox. And if we save it and save once again, if we go back to Thrive Leaders and show, so let us go to Thrive and let us display on desktop and also on mobile. And if we go to our website, so let us go to our website. So we should be able to see on the home page and also at the bottom of every post we post. And of course you can make this one more beautiful. And if we fill out this form, so let us just test it with a fake email. So this one, you will see a message. This is really important. So if we click here, and as you see, we have a text here. It says my name and also the email. This is really important because you are personalizing your stuff. The other thing that we are going to create is actually a ribbon. So let us create a ribbon. For example, it is actually like FooBar, but it is part of Thrive Leaders. So it is a notification bar. You can grab names and email us, or you can ask for more clicks. So create a ribbon. So let us call it ribbon, create forum, position top or the button you want. So you can actually choose top or bottom of your website. Let us choose top, and let us design it. As always, we have already made templates for everything we do, and we can customize the thing that we want to be shown here. So let us go to clouds. As you see, we have different types of ribbons. So actually, let us choose this one. Download it and open it. As you see, we have a ribbon here. So you can customize the background, the colors, whatever you want. So let us just call this one ebook about email marketing. So you can actually change the color of it, make it bold, or okay, so I have to remove the highlight, change the color. Okay, change the color of the okay, and change the sign up link settings, get it today, and of course we can put a URL here, and let us just put our HTTPS ASIC influencers. It is just my website, so this is not really something important. And we save it. You can change the style. You can make it big, normal. Okay, so let us just save it and go back to leaders. And click on groups and show it on desktop. Notifications are not actually very important to show on mobile phones. It's actually not important on phones, but it is really important on desktop. So it actually depends on you. If you have if you depend on mobile for your traffic, of course you want to display on your phone. So let us go to our websites and take a look. And as you see, we have a ribbon here, and they have the option to close it. So this is, it says get our ebook about email marketing, and here is the button, and they can close it. Another thing that we have with Thrive Leaders, it actually call it scroll mat, and also we have a screen filler. So let us create a scroll mat, and let us call it. So let us go back, scroll mat, create a forum, and let us just call it mat, create a forum, design it. And this is actually it shows at the first time, so you will let people to actually, you just ask people for email and for their names actually. So let us choose this one, and you can change the color here, or you can change this picture. You can you can change it for a pattern actually. So as you see, it's something like this, or a pattern that you want. So let us choose this one and change the colors. Get our course for free today. So actually everything is free for us with this course, and you can change all of this. And of course you have to click and connect it with your service. I'm not going to show you right now. And this, it says get more than and procrastinate. So our course is not actually about this personal development. So we are going to customize this one. So let us say okay, I want it, And if we click on here and okay, so let us go to this text. No thanks. Okay, so you can change the color, of course. So okay, and you save it. You go to Thrively this once again, and you show it on desktop. And of course, if we go to our website, we should be able to see our scroll mats. And as you see, because we have two different emails or boxes, they will all appear together, but you don't want to show all of them, but that just to get the idea. As it says get our chorus, and okay, I want it, so they have to give you their email, and if they click no thanks, it will show your website. And of course, we still have our ribbon here, so they can get rid of our ribbon too. And another thing, actually, I am going to create with Thrive boxes. So this is a light boxes, but this is called Thrive boxes. This is when you create a button and you ask people to click on the button and fill out the form. So let us just create a box. So let us create box demo and add. And as you see, we can create a form, box, and design it. And of course, we can choose an animation, also side to top, or rotational. So let us customize. So let us choose this one. So you can change this color, this image. Actually, this is actually it should be an ebook for your website. So you just click on this, or if you have, if you do not have a picture, you can get from for free with stock images. Only VPN users can get free images. They actually can get 10,000 free images. So you have to connect it with a service, for example. So let us choose our service and just make this one, and that's it. So we will just save it. I'll show you where to use this one. We will use it on our homepage. So we actually can change colors, because this color is not beautiful. So let us choose an attractive color. Okay, highlight this one and change this button color. Okay, so let us make it. So let us design our homepage. The most important part of our website is homepage. So you have to make it customizable for a conversion focused website. So you have to make it conversion focused, not too many things on your homepage, just a very clean message and what you do and how people talk about your stuff, and also some blog posts and this box, this form box, in order to get leads. And to do but first we have to get rid of this text that says home. So just edit page in order to get rid of this text. And now scroll down, you will see page title, show, hide. So just hide and update it. Okay, so it says view. So let us view it. So let us get rid of this promotional pop-ups, and as you see, we do not have a home text here. So we have a content builder with the Thrive themes. So it will appear here after you have activated the plugin. So just click on it. And in this area, choose classy. We have minimal, classy, and flat. Flat and classy are normal ones. Classy is the best. So just choose classy. And to bring a section here, we have to scroll down to page section. So we need a section for call to action. We need a section for our highlighted work services that we do, another section for posts, and another section for testimonials. So we will create 4. So just copy 1, 2. This is 2, 3, and 4. So let us change the colors in order to not. So let us choose the colors. Okay, and choose the color. Okay, the color. Okay, we will change the colors, but we have to see the sections this time. So just remove this text. Okay, and now we have to remove this space between the section and our menu. So just click on the first section and margin and padding top, make it -50. And as you see, we do not have any space right now. And click on it once again to bring a picture background. And I have this picture. It is the width is 1500 and height 680 pixels. So you have to use Canva or Photoshop in order to reduce the size of your background image. So we have the background image right now. So what we are going to do right now is actually put a paragraph here. So when you see the line, the green line, you just drop your click and let us make this one to align to right and edit the text. So let us make it, let us help, and let us make this paragraph heading 1. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, and I have some text, some demo text here, and let us click on paragraph and drop it here. So let us just paste it, our text. But as you see, we have the text on our on the photo, so it is really not beautiful. And for this one, we have to go to content reveal or content container. So let us, you can choose both of it, but this time let us choose container, and let us remove this one, drag our text inside the container, drop it, and this time click on the whole container. Okay, whole container, and you will see we can shrink the text box and make it to the right. So let us make it more bigger. Okay, so this time we are going to make our font bigger, and we are actually going to make it bold. Okay, and save it. So now we need 2 buttons in here. So for this time we are going to get column layouts. We need 2 columns inside this. So let us bring both contents inside this container, and let us bring 2 buttons and 1 in here, and copy this one and in here. So let us delete the text that says column and delete the other one. And as you see, we have a beautiful image with the text. This is really clean. We tell our visitors what our website or service is about. So one button will say join us and the other one will say play video. So let us customize the buttons, and let us make this one blue, or let's make it blue, and let us change the text, and the text should say something join us, and also font is okay, and the other one should say something like this, play video, also 22, change, and let us change it and preview it. So let us get rid of this promotional messages once again. And as you see, we have 2 buttons here. One it says join us, and the other one it says play video. But as you see, we have this buttons actually touching each other, which is I think it is not nice. So we have an option to give some space between them. So just click on the first button and click on margins and padding, and left and make it -11. And as you see, we have a space right now. And if we review it once again, so we are going to see it. Okay, and as you see, we have two buttons, which is really nice. And actually we can make this text a little bit bigger. So okay, so let us actually make something like this. Okay, so let us review it once again. And as you see, the buttons and the text is actually really eye-catching. So okay, so what we are going to do, we have to give these two buttons a function. So when they click on this button, they should be able to join, and when they click on this button, the pop-up of video should be appear. So to do that, okay, so just to create a pop-up video, we just click on it and click on Event Manager. So click on add event, and in trigger choose click. So when they click, Thrive Focus, Animation, or Wistia pop over. Wistia is a free service, so you can upload your video if you use it. So I have a video video about Twitter. So just click on your video and click on video actions, then embed and share. So click on this URL, copy it and paste it here. So you can choose a video color or video start time. So let us choose the minute one. Play bar control. Okay, so let us leave it like it, and let us save it, and let us choose a Thrive box, because we have created a Thrive box, if you remember. So click on add event and choose click, and also choose Thrive leaders Thrive box, and we created a box demo before, so let us just add it and save changes. So this time let us review our website, and as you see, we have a beautiful background. We also have a text, a headline, and also we have a play video and join us. So if they click on here, a play video will pop up. So if we click it, action step 1, the first thing you do with your Twitter profile, and as you see, it works. And if we click on join us, a pop-up should be appear. So as you see, they should be able to fill out the form. This is really conversion focused websites. In section 2, we are going to use some icons. You can actually choose images if you want, if you have images, I'm sure you have images for your website, but this time we are going to use icons. So this is the section 2. So let us just choose a color, or this time let us choose a pattern, because we can choose pattern or images or whatever we want. So let us choose a pattern, and let us choose a pattern because we have many patterns here. Okay, this one is beautiful, so let us save it. And if we scroll down, we will see feature grid, and if you click it, you will see for a feature grid with images and also feature grid with icons. So you have to use your images if you choose this one, but let us choose you can choose 3 columns or 4 columns. So this time let us choose 4 columns. So just drag it and drop it here. As you see, we can put 4 icons. Let us choose an icon for the section 1, or let us first just change the headlines. So video tutorials. So this is the services that we have on our website, for example. So, and of course, let us choose this color, or a pattern. So let us choose the same pattern for our that we have used. Okay, where it was. Okay, this is more beautiful. So save changes. Okay, so we have to create a headline here, and we will just of course we have to use it here. So okay, so let us create another section, delete this one, drag it here. Okay, so let us just create a headline, and the headline says our services, and font size, let us make it 44 and make it to center, and change the color of it. Okay, and of course we are going to select all of this icons to here, and we are going to delete this section. Okay, so this time we are just editing the headliners. So let us choose website building, and of course every time you have to save it. And let us bring some icons. So, and this time let us choose websites. Okay, and save changes. You can change the color or the size of the also. Okay, you can make it to left, to right, or you can change the color. And of course we want to change the color of it, and also this one. And if you take a look at this, the space between the headline and the icons is a lot. So just click on this icons or on this boxes, click on padding and margins as you see top. So make it -50. And if you take a look, the space is not too much. So you just save it, and we are good to go. Let us take a look at our new website's features. So let us get rid of this one, and we have this buttons, this text. This is very conversion focused website. So if we scroll down, we will see our services, but as you see, this icon is actually a little bit big, so we have to make it smaller. So now it actually works best because I have reduced the size of this icon. And now we are going to add another feature to our website, or another section to our website, actually to our home page. So we first should use a page section, and let us design our page section. So let us this time let us use a color, not image. We actually can use an image here, so let me show you. So actually let us use an image here, and we do not have an image for our section, so we are going to use stock images, because as WP News we have the ability to get 10,000 photos for free. We're only WP News as a reseller, you will get this this button here which says stock photos. So let us choose something. We also have categories, different categories, professional, and so let us actually choose something like this. Okay, so let us import. Okay, as you see, we see our image here. So we save changes, and we are going to get a headline. So we are going to use paragraph and text element and drag it onto the picture. Okay, and this time, so let us write something like this: read our latest blog posts, and make it heading 1. Also align it to the center, and also we should use a color that matches our website. Okay, and this time we are going to use a post grid. As you see, we will use post grid. Drag it and drop it here, and also click on post grid. So what we want to be shown on our website: featured image, of course, title, read more link, summary, text, but we have to choose excerpt, and we can make it vertical or horizontal. We also can make it posts, number of posts. Let us make it 2, and okay. So let us go to display settings, number of columns 2, and that's it. Now we have 2 blog posts on our website. So if we change it, and if we are going to see our website. So let us review it, and let us review it. And as you see, because this blog post does not have a picture, so we are not seeing any pictures here, but this post has a picture, so we are seeing a picture here, but the background is actually not very good, so people are not seeing this blog post very clearly. So we are going to change the blog post, the image background. So let us actually just remove the image, and let us choose a color. Okay, and this time let us actually choose 4 posts on our website. So whenever you post your posts on your blog, the posts will automatically be shown on the front page of your website. So on the home page you will see your images, so you don't have to manually come here and edit them. You will see those posts. So as you see, we are seeing the images, the text, and the headline, and also a read more button. We actually can edit this one. So if we click on it, it says read more text, so we can say something like this: click to read more. And also we can change the headline colors and main text color. You can change that too. So let us change to something like black. So to actually something like this. Okay, so let us make it black. Also read more link color. So let us actually change that to something outstanding. Okay, blue is good. And let us save it and preview it. And as you see, we have our headline here. We have 4 posts on our website, and also with the different headline color, and also with this color it says click to read more. So yeah, it's a good stuff to have on our website. So another thing that we are going to add is actually testimonials. So we will let people to know that we are trustworthy and we have something. If you actually sell something, or if you give a service to people, to your visitors, you should use testimonials. And hopefully Thrive Themes comes with two different one plugin for only dedicated for testimonials. And if you do not have that plugin, actually this content builder has that feature, so you don't have to worry about it. And but if you have a plugin, there is one feature in the plugin, and if you want to capture testimonials, so you let people, so let me show you how. You let people to fill out this form and to actually give you to give you their testimonials about the service that you have. And as you see, it says full name, email, and also the message box, and also the submit button. But we don't want it on our homepage, so we are going to use two column layout. But first we have to, so let us choose 2 columns. Okay, so let us create a page section here. Always create a page section, and then 2 column layout. You can use 3, 4, whatever you want. You can even choose 5, but let us choose 2. So let us scroll down. We have testimonials with pictures, and we have testimonials with without pictures. So let us play around with these pictures to see which one do we like to use on our website. So this one is actually beautiful. This one is also beautiful. And let us drag and drop it to here. Let us copy, and let us drag it and drop it inside here, and delete this one, delete this one. Let us delete those testimonials. Save changes, and we also can change the colors, and you can change the text as always. So let us actually drag a headline here which says, what are people say about our service, about our products actually. And let us make us heading 1, make it to align it to center, change the color. Okay, so let us actually margin, let us choose minus 11, and the space between those 2 columns is not a lot right now. So we are done on our homepage for now. I have another other videos about homepage. Actually, we use different types of homepages, so watch that. We need to create a contact page for our website because it's really important for people to contact us. So we have a plugin, and I have the link on my website. So it calls WP Forms. So we are going to add a new one, and WP Forms will pop up. So as you see, it says loading. So let us. It says blank form, simple contact, or suggestion form. So let us create a suggestion, and it is a free plugin, but it works very, very well. So you have to use it on your website. And now everything is ready. As you see, name, last, and also email. We also have them questions. You can actually delete this part, or you can click and edit this part. So if you want to know which department your customers have problems with, for example, sales. So let us choose this one, video tutorials, or whatever they use. You can add new ones here, and also you can edit this message or whatever you want. But I think that's it. So you just click on save, and you click on embed. You copy this URL, and you go out, and you go to your contacted page. So let us go to our contacted page. So let us get rid of this email marketing. Actually, you don't have to use all of this stuff on your website, but to get the idea, I have put it all of them. And here you will type the message to let your visitors to know before they contact you. So let us choose something like this. Welcome to our website as soon as possible. You can type your message and then previously copy it and update it. So let us see our page. Let's get rid of this messages, and as you see, we have our contacted us page, we have the message, and we have the contact form. It is very clean and very beautiful. So you just click on submit, and everything is working right now very well. The last thing, we are going to work on our header. This button colors and also this color on the header. So just to do that, just click on customize. So you will see this menu here, and so what we are going to work on is fonts. You can change the size of headline. You also can change the fonts, whichever you want, and we already have fonts. And your body font, you can change that, also the line height. But what we are going to do is actually you can use a background pattern, background color, link colors, or headline color, whatever you want. And also header is really important. In the header it says show logo, and as you see we have a big logo here, so we are going to make it something like this. 65 I think is very beautiful, and as you see the logo appears smaller. So a highlighted menu background color, it says it is actually, it means this color. So if we are going to make it, so let us change this color first, and we will act accordingly. So it says header type, what do you want? Theme default, custom color, we can change the color, pattern or image, we can even put an image in the header. So let us choose a pattern actually. So we will scroll down, and then we will see a pattern here. So let us choose something beautiful. Okay, so let us choose this one. As you see, the header background changes to this beautiful, and so let us change this color actually to something. And highlighted menu hover, it is a little bit it's not cool, so let us change that to something. Okay, so if we now hover over it, it says something like this. Let us make it more yellowish. Okay, and as you see it works. So let us change these green buttons to something like this one. So let us change that. As you see it works very nicely. So every time we make a change, we save and we publish our website. In site identity, we have to choose an image, and so let us select an image, and let us choose our logo, and let us crop the image and publish it. And as you see, we have our site icon or or favicon, as most people call it favicon, but actually they call it side icon. So you don't have to use another service in order to get the icon. You just use this image, you crop it, and it will appear on your website. So that's it. So if we go back to our website, and if we take a look closely, we will see all the changes. And as you see, we have a beautiful home page with a header, with a very clear header, and also beautiful button here, also beautiful buttons here, and everything is very conversion focused website. So if you have this website and you want to, you can simply be a successful online person.